We continue to build the animation with a linear gradient. Let's create an object and fill it with properties and methods that will perform our animation. The name of the object will be short for sunrise, sunset. First, there will be properties that will help in working with canvas. For the dimensions, we will repeatedly use them in calculations. The next two properties will determine the position of the sun, namely the center of the circle. Similarly, we need the location of the center of the moon. The trajectory of the rotation of the sun and the moon will depend on the angle of rotation. The starting angle will be 180 degrees, and with a small increment, this angle will increase, creating a clockwise movement. Then, our gradient, as well as a property that determines the transparency of each of the 4 control points of the gradient, which are responsible for color transitions. Take a look at the explanatory picture. The colors are set in the RGBA system. Thus, by changing the transparency of the colors, we will create the effect of sunrise and sunset. More on this a little later. Another auxiliary variable to convert degrees to radians. And finally, the timer, which will create the animation by calling the appropriate functions at regular intervals. The first method will be the canvas initialization method, which is already familiar to you.